Hi there, here's another caboodle tip. What do you do if you have a blind corner cabinet? Here's a great solution. As you can see from the top here, how do you access your pots and pans and other things? Well, again, a great solution is Hafele 450mm classic LeMans. Very sexy. Check this out. So what you do, if blind corner, you can actually put your pans and then that just swings out like so. And look at that. Isn't that fantastic? It's all about access. There are other options, but again, this one is the one we chose. And so that's the top layer. And here's the bottom layer, which is really great as well. So again, that's a great use of a blind spot there.